Today I am going to tell you the story of how Florence Nightingale's contribution to statistics transformed battlefields of the future. Florence Nightingale is more famous as the English nurse during the Crimean War. So much so, nurses even today take the Nightingale Pledge. The Crimean War was fought between the British Allies and Tsarist Russia between October of 1853 and March of 1856. It was a brutal war of attrition, with 500,000 casualties of war. Nightingale, when she arrived in Crimea along with a team of nurses, was appalled by the conditions in the field hospitals. Nightingale's data analysis, presented in what she called coxcombs, brought forward an insight that transformed future military field hospitals, saving thousands of lives. Her insight was data-led, and when she presented her coxcombs, it was instantly apparent that more soldiers in Crimea died of non-battle complications caused by unhygienic conditions in the field hospitals. This insight, when presented by Nightingale to the military leadership, had tremendous impact. The ease with which the point landed, thanks to her coxcombs, played a major role in influencing the outcomes. Powered by the insight of data, Nightingale worked to enhance sanitary conditions in the field hospitals. She set up hygiene protocols of bathing injured soldiers and managing their injuries, ensuring clean laundry and linen, separating casualties with severe symptoms, and creating more space for patients. All this had a dramatic impact on the mortality rate, an obvious impact considering our understanding today, but revolutionary for 1856. Nightingale's coxcombs played a major role in helping her influence the military leadership to provide her with the resources she needed to transform the conditions in the hospitals. The coxcombs, while they look like pie charts, are a lot deeper as data representation tools because they show a lot more detail than just contribution. They capture trend lines, contributions by time, and sub-contributions all in a single representation. Pie charts are no more the same for me after having seen these elegant, beautiful coxcombs. It's not a surprise that Wiki has tagged Nightingale as a statistician ahead of her more famous avatar of the nurse. There are some tremendous lessons for business here. What can we learn from Nightingale on the power of simply represented data to drive impact in business situations? That was a story for today. Looking forward to your thoughts. Ciao, and see you soon.